So let's start with CarPhish that we recently uncovered. Actually, this is kind of first observed in past summer, and peaked in August. So what we observed was attackers here tried a two-step evasion approach, which is very interesting, which was, so first a Cloudflare warning about an like potential phishing site warning. Maybe intentional, maybe not, but this helps especially to block automated tools like ours, for example, or other automated browser simulation tools. So, and second, there was an obfuscation using the a specific function, document.write, so to dynamically inject HTML so that they can change the content of the website. So depending on the user environment, and there is a possibility you can see the page with over 200 car themed references. So if a tool couldn't go deeper or evade it, it would see a harmless car enthusiast website. But here, actually, Auto UI coming into play to bypass these tricks and clicking through the noise and uncovering the hidden phishing form that you can see on this slide as well, the Microsoft login. So that was it. And here, actually, there's a screenshot from our analysis report. As you can see, there is the error rule catch. Also, we identified it contains a Microsoft login form, which is suspicious. And again, there's a notification around temporary hosting usage. So a service from Cloudflare. So it is again flagged. And lastly, you can see here, especially a note around temporary hosting. So the resource is loaded from that temporary hosting. So this is just a quick view on how it looks like on VMRay.